Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us prepare soya chunks 65 or meal maker 65. For this, take 2 cups of small soya chunks. To this, add around 2 cups of water. Bring this to a boil. Keep it in a medium flame. Let this boil for about 2 minutes or until it is soft. The chunks are soft now. We can take them out of the water. We have to squeeze the excess water, and before that, let this cool down completely. Once this is cool, squeeze the excess water. The chunks are ready. Now let us add the flours and masalas. 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 2 teaspoons of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, few chopped curry leaves, a handful of chopped coriander leaves, and the required amount of salt. Give a nice mix. Don't add water. The soya chunks itself will have enough water to hold the masala. This is ready. Now let us deep fry this in hot oil in medium flame. Cook this till it is golden brown and crispy. This is ready. Now let us take this out of the oil. The crispy soya chunk 65 is ready. Hope you liked it. This will taste so good. Do try this at home. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.